Welcome to Pindar Poetry. We hope you learned something new.
You must use Mac OS recovery and the Time Machine backup to fully restore a Mac. This method is the only way to return a Mac to a known state when cloning fails. Connect the backup drive directly using Thunderbolt or USB-C, or access a network share over SMB. Make sure the backup contains the complete system snapshot and that you know the account password. Restoring will replace the internal drive and preserve user data and system settings when performed correctly. Shut down the Mac, then power it on while holding Command-R to enter recovery. Wait until the Mac OS Utilities window appears before continuing with any steps. Use Disk Utility to unlock a File Vault volume and erase the target internal drive if you want a clean install. Choose Apps or Mac OS extended according to the backup format. Quit Disk Utility and select Restore from Time Machine. Then choose the correct backup snapshot date and source disk to continue the process. Click Continue to start the restore and monitor the estimated time remaining on screen. Restoration can take from 30 minutes to several hours depending on backup size and interface speed. When the process completes, the Mac will restart into the restored system automatically. Log in with your account password and verify accounts, apps, and files are present and functional. Unlock File Vault if required and test system preferences, network access, and peripherals. If problems persist, boot to Internet Recovery and try a.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.